everybody, and today I'm going to take this out of the box and give you a little look at what's inside. This is the Wahl Finale shaver, super close, great for blending fades to bald. So I will take it out of the box and we can have a look. It is in all its glory. It's quite a good size. Nice hold in your hand. You can see up close the hypoallergenic gold foil. Really good for sensitive skin, because I'm sure a lot of people struggle with that. It comes with 2 cleaning brushes and the charger, which also has a cord so that you can pop it in there to charge. This is a really popular tool for barbers and hairdressers, giving really good balding results. Super close, 5-star. So yeah, just thought you might want to have a look at that up nice and close and see what it looks like in real life.